Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. I have to admit, I never thought I'd be doing one on Macy's M, but we had some news in the pre-market that there's been kind of an unsolicited bid for Macy's at $21. A couple of funds, or I don't know what exactly they are called, but we'll call them funds that are looking to take Macy's private, and they've offered Macy's $21 a share. And Macy's showed up on multiple scans, including, the one that I really like, the abnormal option scan at $20.50, the abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily breakout, and at $20.50. Now, is this a huge move? Not a huge move, but I'll tell you, on a day like today where I found it kind of choppy, except right now the market is starting to rip, that was a really nice move from 2050 to 21, and it might be hanging in here. However, I'd be watching this one tomorrow, especially if Macy's comes out and says, you know what, we reject 21 as a takeover, taking us over, and you never know what might happen. Well, it could get a couple of things. Maybe there'd become a bidding war. My guess, though, if Macy's just rejects it outright, you probably see the stock go down. But so I'll be watching Macy's tomorrow just to see what happens. But right now, that was just a great alert for $20.50. We're at 21.12 on a typically a very sleepy stock like Macy's. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.